The great faqih Imam al-Shafi'i said something truly mind-blowing. He said, all people are dead except those with knowledge, and all those with knowledge are asleep except for those who practice upon their knowledge, and all those who practice upon their knowledge are deceived except for those who are sincere, and all those who are sincere, truly sincere, always question their sincerity and never stop worrying until they set foot in paradise. You see, the Prophet ﷺ, he told us, he said, "Ad-dunya sijnul mu'min wa jannatul kafir," that this life, this world, is the prison of the believer and the paradise of the non-believer. Why is it a prison? Because you don't get to do whatever you want to do here. You're limited by the boundaries, by hududullah, the do's and don'ts that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has set for you. So, if you decide, be careful, if you decide to be free here, you're going to be a slave in akhirah. But if you're a slave to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this life, insha'Allah you will be free in paradise. Say Ameen. Share and spread this knowledge.